intent, customer voice, and competitive insights are everywhere. But teams still spend too much time jumping between systems, exporting reports, and manually trying to turn insights into action. You probably don't have a data problem, but struggle with how to use it. Hi, I'm Andrea Youmans, Director of Product Marketing here at G2. Buyer intent, customer voice, and competitive insights are everywhere, but teams are still spending too much time jumping between systems and manually trying to turn insights into action. At the same time, AI is changing how both buyers and sellers work. Buyers want faster answers and better recommendations, while revenue teams want to move faster on signals without spending hours digging through dashboards. AI agents are quickly becoming a primary channel for software research. That's why we're excited to announce that G2 MCP for Claude is now publicly available. But we didn't stop there. G2 data is also now available directly in ChatGPT. With MCP, buyers and sellers can access trusted G2 data through natural language without digging through reports or dashboards. From a product marketing perspective, you might ask, which competitors appear most frequently in reviews? What themes are emerging from mid-market buyers? Or which accounts are researching alternatives? Meanwhile, buyers can compare vendors, understand implementation experiences, and evaluate products using trusted customer feedback directly inside the tools they're already using. Instead of searching for answers, teams can simply ask and get trusted insights instantly. But insights are only valuable if teams can access them where they are and where they're making decisions. That's why we're helping partners bring trusted G2 data directly into the platforms your teams are using every day. For sales and marketing teams, integrations with HubSpot and Gong make G2 Insights available directly inside the systems you rely on the most. With HubSpot, teams can use buyer intent and customer voice to inform campaigns, prioritize accounts, and support AI-powered workflows without switching between systems. The goal isn't just access to data. It's making trusted buyer insights actionable at the moment decisions are being made. We're also seeing partners use G2 data to create entirely new experiences built around trusted buyer insights. That's the thinking behind what AirOps is building. AirOps uses G2 reviews, discussions, and customer voice to help create content grounded in what buyers are actually saying. Instead of starting with assumptions, marketers can actually build messaging, competitive content, and campaigns informed by real customer feedback. Profound solves a different challenge. As AI search and answer engines become a huge part of software discovery, companies need to understand how they're being represented by AI. By combining G2 buyer intent and verified customer voice, Profound helps teams understand where their brand shows up in AI-generated responses, identify gaps in representation, and create content strategies to improve visibility. Together, these partnerships demonstrate how trusted buyer data can power everything from sales execution and campaign activation to content creation and AI visibility. Every company operationalizes data differently. Some teams want fast access to insights through AI assistants and workflows. Others want to combine buyer intent, customer voice, CRM, and even product usage data to create a more complete picture of their business. That's why we're expanding direct access to G2 data through connectors for Snowflake, Databricks, and BigQuery. Instead of creating another destination for your data, we're making it easier to bring trusted G2 insights into the systems your organizations already use to store, analyze, and activate information. This allows teams to combine G2 data with the rest of their business context, whether that's CRM activity, product telemetry, marketing engagement, or even internal customer data. We're also making quarterly grid reports available through API access, giving teams another way to operationalize trusted market intelligence within their own reporting, analytics, and AI environments. And we're already seeing customers use these unified data sets to power AI-driven workflows for competitive intelligence, voice of customer analysis, account prioritization, nurture sequencing, and market and category research. Because the most powerful insights don't come from a single data source. They come from connecting trusted signals across your entire business. This is where buyer intelligence moves beyond reporting and becomes a part of how organizations make decisions, automate workflows, and power AI. And this is just the beginning. Over time, more G2 content, research, and insights will become accessible through APIs and MCP-powered workflows, making it even easier for you to put trusted buyer data to work across your businesses. The goal isn't just to give you access to the information. It's to help you operationalize trusted buyer signals wherever your teams work, whether that's through an AI assistant, the platforms you're already using every day, or the systems that power your business. Now, let's look at how we're helping teams move even faster from buyer signals to campaign activation with buyer intent and our new activation capabilities.